Okay, here we go with the early morning setup. There's Jessica. Show us where you turn it on, Jess.
There's a button down here.
There's a button down there. You push it on. Next thing you'll get is this screen right here. Warming up, as you can see, it's got the little icon. Etc. etc. Scroll over to Coffee Shop Manager. Double click on it. Gets you Coffee Shop Manager. Takes a second. Here's this login spot. Put in employee 101. Password is what?
1234.
1234. And then click continue. And that gives you Coffee Shop Manager. You're set to all ready to rock and roll. Later today we'll show you how to close it out. This is the PC Charge Pro part. There's kind of two pieces of software. This one does the charging part of cards. Oh, right. Wait a minute. Go back, Jess. Can you go back to where you click to get into the shift? So you go up here to shift, click on it, you get this start shift screen. Then you got to put in your starting cache, what person opened the shift, and then start shift. Click. You want to start at the shift? Click yes. Boom, you're in. Then you got to hit register to get you back to the register. Now you're ready for your day.